Hey guys, welcome to Nice. Come on in. This is going to be a room tour of our stay in Nice. We are staying at the Palais de la Méditerranée. I probably butchered that. It's a Hyatt property, and we're going to start here. We have our own little toilet room and full-length mirror. We know that's important. And here we have the area where you can take a bath. You have your vanity area, and then we've got the shower area, and we've got robes, you guys. We know that's important to me. We've got robes. As we come over here, we've got storage, safe, fridge, typical stuff. More storage where you can hang all your stuff, and we got some slippers. As we walk over here, we have the bedroom. So they've got two twin beds pulled in together. We have a desk working area. We have another little chair, and you can't see it great now, but we do have a balcony which looks out onto the ocean.
Looks like it's going to be a nice view.
And there's a bat flying around, so I don't know that we should go out.
I'll go out.
There's a bat out there.
I'll let Batman get me. Got the pool down there. I don't see Batman. He's not perched up.
So that is the tour of the room. It is currently like 9:30, so we're pretty tired.
Full travel day.
Took us a very long time to get here from Finland. We had to stop in Helsinki, and then we had to stop in London, London, Heathrow, get your stuff together.
That airport is a mess.
Whew. But we are here, we are tired, we are going to shower, get rested up so that we can go explore maybe Old Town Nice tomorrow.
We're here for 3 nights?
3 nights, 2 full days. We leave on the 3rd day. So maybe explore Old Nice tomorrow, maybe go to Ez the following day. We'll see. We'll see what we get up to. We really don't have any plans. Our plans here in Nice actually changed. Not going to get into it, but we had completely different plans. Then those plans changed. We're still here. We just don't know what we're going to do. Yeah. So we'll bring you guys along. And yeah, see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning from Nice, friends. We are getting ready to start our day here in beautiful Nice. We wanted to show you guys the view from our room. It's spectacular. We get to look at the Mediterranean. I think that's the ocean that's here, right? Yeah, the Mediterranean. But now we're gonna go explore Old Nice. We're gonna definitely get some food because your girl is hungry, and just wander around this beautiful city. So
it doesn't seem very crowded right now.
Yeah, it's actually November, so November is the off season. So we came at just the perfect time. The weather's still sunny, a little warmer than I'd like it to be, if I'm being honest. But
yeah, it's warm right now.
But you don't see the crowds that you see during the summer. So
sunburn incoming.
Sunburn incoming. We gotta find sunburn. We didn't bring sunblock, so we gotta find a pharmacy to get sunblock, maybe some beauty products, because we all know Europe has much better beauty products than the US. So yeah, we're gonna see what we get into. So come on with us.
Guys, we're currently climbing the stairs to
the Colline du Chateau, which is castle on the hill. It's a lot of stairs, you guys. And we just ate, so
And we are low on water, which I hope doesn't
we
bite
are
us.
low on water, and it's very sunny. So if you're gonna come do this,
We're in the shade though, most of the time, at least, it seems like.
bring water and set realistic expectations that it is going to be a little bit of a climb. Nothing crazy, just take breaks in between. There's plenty of beautiful views to stop and enjoy. So we will see you guys when we get to the top.
To the top. What is this called that again?
This is called La Colline du Chateau, and it is actually old castle ruins. They're not intact. That's why they turned
Yeah.
it into this little thing.
It's definitely broken. Well, we made it to the top. We looked up to see how many stairs it was. I guessed way wrong. I said like 3,000 something on the way off.
I was pretty close. I said 800, and it's
500 stairs from the lowest, or yeah, from the most common spot that you
Yeah.
would hike up.
Yeah. So we are at the top where the waterfall is now, and it's pretty crowded. Lots of people walking by, but we found a little area to sit in, so we've been sitting here, enjoying the sound, enjoying the views, and people watching. There's also a little shop about one level below. No, I'm sorry, one
Above.
level above the waterfall. So if you forget your water, or you get a little hungry, or you know,
But be prepared to wait there.
Yeah.
There was a pretty long line.
it looks like it's a one-man shop.
Yeah.
So he does the
No help.
bringing, the cooking, cleaning. So just be prepared for that. But yeah, we got water, some Red Bull to
To give
re-energize
us
me.
wings.
To re-energize me, because I really want to go explore Old Town Nice. I'm hoping I can do some shopping. But yeah, I would say it's worth the walk up here. But if you can do it early in the morning, you're probably going to deal with less people, and it'll probably be less hot. So I would do it like first thing in the morning.
For sure.
Yeah.
It'd be a lot cooler. Unless you come probably maybe during more of a winter time when it's
Yeah.
cooler.
So I think we're going to start making our way back down. Like I said, I'm hoping we're going to go to Old Town next. Because I want to shop. I mean, I'm in France. Let's shop. But we'll bring you guys along so you can see what else we get into.
Evidence. What is it that you're doing right now?
Shopping. We are at Galleries Lafayette. It is about 5. They close at 8, so I should have plenty of time to shop. Good evening, guys. We are back at our hotel. We are exhausted.
All day.
Not exhausted, but we are tired. Our feet need rest. We're out walking about 8 hours.
11,000 steps.
So we're a little tired. We're gonna rest, and we decided to just go ahead and close out the video here. We might go out for dinner later. We're not sure. If we do, we'll show you a quick clip of it. But if not, thank you so much for following along with us today. We really appreciate you being here. If you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. It helps us out a ton, and it doesn't cost you anything. And we will see you in the next one.